Right now, if you know what I dey think, if you know what I dey think, even you self go wish me well. I wish say my papa come from Ghana or my mama come from Ghana. If they pay me, say none of my family come from Ghana. To be honest, I dey wish say I be Ghanaian right now.
Breaking news, guys. Ghana immigration arrested 11 Nigerians for printing fake dollars in Ghana. Oh my God. These people. So when I no one rest this 2026. Hey, now wow for some Nigerians. Why? And guys, another news that I heard is that now they are not longer going to be showing their faces and calling their names on social media. I don't know why they are giving these thieves like this. I don't even know what to call them. I don't know why they are giving them this presidential treatment. Why would you be doing that? Even in Nigeria itself, they show their face, they call their names, you know. So why are you hiding it? Don't you think people will not be afraid to involve themselves in doing all manners of crimes? Because, by the way, moreover, they are not going to show their face to the public. Hey, me, I feel showing their face is the, is good. So the world will see them and know who truly they are. Then what is it? What is it? I know in Ghana, you guys, you treat your prisoners a bit good, but see, when it comes to Nigeria, I beg, more wanna not treat them good. Now beg, I beg you for this one, because these people will not continue disgracing us. They are on too much, Jare. Hey, guys, let's take a look at the video. But before we watch, I would love to give a shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always clicking in. And if you're new here, my name is Delphina. I'm super excited to have you here. Please don't make it your last by subscribing to the channel, like this video, and share the video. Also press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. Let's watch.
Ghana immigration arrests 11 Nigerians for printing fake money, fake dollars. They are arresting them for this. For this. And what did they arrest them for? They arresting them, say that they print fake money in Ghana. Fake money, that is what they are arresting them. They get their computer and everything. And they are 11. They are inside room. And what they are doing is to print fake money. Fake money, that is what they print. But another thing is that, this January, they have started another new law where we say if they arrest Nigerians, they are not going to tell you that they are arresting Nigerians again. They are going to tell you that they arrest foreigner. That's good. And the funny thing, if you listen to the article, what they are writing in the article, that they are talking about landlord. Landlord should begin to stop renting house to so players. That part, they're not even make sure their name says because it be like this is the new law now. They are already started. They are not gonna show their face, and they are not gonna show even their name. Say people who commit their crime, they are not gonna writing their name on the, how do you call it, on social media again. That's the new January law. But for now, as you can see, Ghana immigration arrests 11 Nigerians. And if you think, say, oh, my news is wrong, what I'm saying, you are immigration, you can come and tell us, show us the name now. If you think within me at the talk na lie, and you want to drag me or you want to ask me, you can come out and tell me, oh, they are not a Nigerians, so tell us whose country are they. But me, I'm a Nigerian, and I'm telling you that Ghana immigration arrests 11 Nigerians printing fake money. Dollars. So that is what the news is talking about. 11 Nigerians is arrested again. January 8th. January 8th was just today now. It was just today. What is going on now? Niger? And another funny thing, why do you people cover their face? Okay, now I understand. They say this is the new law. The new law mean they are not gonna open their face again. Their face will be closed. Yes, in this January. Oh, Ghana president, he dey work. He dey work, but this one no go well now. Ghana president, he dey do work. He dey try for Nigeria. I can see Ghana president dey try for Nigerians a lot. And as they try for Nigerians too know they try for themselves. still this bad blood is in our blood. When the Ghana president now already started a new law where we see if they arrest Nigerian, they are not gonna show their face, and that is good, but it's also bad in other way, because as you arrest them now, you are not telling people they are Nigerians. Then you are not telling people again say they are Nigerians. You are arresting them because you want to follow the command. You are not telling people they're Nigerian. How can people going to put more effort to do the work? Because you are warning landlord not to rent house for the particular people. And who are those people that you don't want Ghana landlord to rent house to? It's nice. Me and you understand that this thing is a Nigerian, a part of Nigeria, nobody else. Me and you, we know. Part of Nigerians, nobody. Understand? Me and you, we know. Me and you, we know. Part of Nigeria, nobody now. Me and you, we know. All right. Now, what did they be that you don't hear them now? They arrest 11 Nigerians, and as this Nigerian was arrested, totally now, according to the law, they are hiding it from you not to know, say these people they are Nigerian. I hope you hear clear. And what is their offenses? The offenses is that they print fake money, and fake money is not just ordinary money. They pick the highest currency, which is American dollars, and that is what they are arresting them from. Now you hear me clear. And after that, when you go to their article writing, they can't talk, say they are blaming landlord not to renting house to them. And the problem here is that who are the people where you know want landlord to rent house? Landlord need to identify that, okay, who are these people that you don't want me to rent house for? You see now? Now, okay, imagine you arrest foreigner and you are telling the landlord not to rent house for them. Okay, who are these particular foreigner that you don't want landlord to rent a house to them? You are saying that landlord not to rent house to these people. Now, for now, the final conclusion is that 11 Nigerian was arrested, and Ghana immigration is warning landlord not to rent house for them. It's clear. Ghana immigration is warning landlord not to rent house for Nigerians. You see now, I hope now you people understand clear. So 11 Nigerians was arrested doing printing fake money in Ghana. That they need that. Because their new law now in this January is that they should not be showing, if they arrest Nigeria now, they should not be showing their name, they should not be showing their face. That is the new. Now that when Nigerians are killing Ghanaians, although I'm in Nigerians, I'm not supposed to be even do like say I'm backing Ghanaians, okay, let's just how am I gonna put it now? I'm not supposed, according to Nigerians, they say I'm not supposed to support Ghanaians. Now, how am I gonna put it now? As you come to say, oh, Nigerians are killing Ghanaians, and yes, we should be supporting Nigerians. So I don't understand. Like even some foolish Ghanaians will still come to my inbox, come and tell me, hey, why are you saying it? Like this thing, I don't understand. Now the same your Ghanaian now arrest Nigerian, they do bad thing. Now the same your own immigration, everybody arrest Nigerian, they do bad thing. Now they are trying hiding them. They know they do bad thing. Instead of it come to public, just so Nigerian do this thing. Moku no. Just so Nigerian do this thing. Let the people to know that this is what Nigerians do. Now you are hiding them. You are hiding their face. You are hiding their name. Then after that, you still go and write that landlord should not rent house for these people. Now, who are these people you don't want landlord to rent house for? God, and now you are confusing the people. You are confusing the landlord too, not to rent house for these people. Who are these people now? According to your article you write, you say these particular people, they should not rent house for them. Now, it's not clear for we to understand that these people you are arresting, they are Nigerians. Me as a Nigerian, now you are confusing me as a Nigerian now. You don't want me to understand that my people do this thing. And you say making a no rent house for these particular people. And who are these particular people now? Where you, okay, making Ghana immigration no rent house for Black America who are coming to Ghana too. Black American too, they are foreigner in Ghana. They are not a Ghanaian citizen. White people who are coming to Ghana, they are foreigner. And white people are not doing this thing. Black American cannot print fake money. The only people who can do this thing, who are used to this thing, are Nigerians now, Abi. Now, what are you telling us now? Are you telling us those people are not Nigerian too? Okay, who you know want make the rent house for? Kai, if people are joking, no.
Right now, if you know what I dey think, if you know what I dey think, even you self go wish me well. I wish say my papa come from Ghana or my mama come from Ghana. If they pay me, say none of my family come from Ghana. To be honest, I dey wish say I be Ghanaian right now. See the kind standard where they see the kind standard where they want lay for Ghanaians outside Ghanaian for abroad. See their standard. If we dey talk about our country like this, and I go to say we no like our country. Why would they always they bash our country? Why would they always they say bad things about Nigerians? The reason why would they talk like this now make country better. See the kind standard where they set for Ghanaian, where they abroad, where they oversee. Now the reason why we say that they respect Ghanaians for abroad past Nigerians, now it be this. Their government really value them. You see? You see the kind standard where they set for Ghanaians. That shows say their government they work. They pay me say I no be Ghanaian.
I declare that Ghanaians will not accept or tolerate or countenance any form of discrimination. And I think that within every corner of the world today, every country knows that if you harm a Ghanaian, the Ghanaian government will come after you. We will stand up to protect the rights of all Ghanaians. And let me disclose in that spirit that last night a video was brought to my attention about a young student by name Naneje in Latvia. I want to disclose that we have commenced immediate investigations through diplomatic channels, and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs will be updating the public regularly on what our diplomats are doing about that matter that is alleged to have happened in Latvia. We want to send a very clear message that anybody who harms a Ghanaian in any part of this world will not get away with it. And that is the message that the
See, can you imagine? Can you imagine this man's speech? Can you imagine? Where they want to see Ghana, where they no go respect them. You know how many things that they deprived us of for this abroad as Nigerian? You know how many things where they deprived us of? Something will be our right for this abroad. They go look us, they look us less, say we no get level. They fit do anything with them wants to Nigeria for abroad. Because we no get better government. We no get better people to stand for us. Even if our right for abroad, we no still get people to stand for us. Even if they stand for us, they no go still respect that decision. Because of our bad leaders. Because they don't see Nigerian finish. Because now everywhere where they go, they know they behave in ourselves. Now the reason why I talk for my last video say that they respect Ghanaians past Nigeria. See the kind of standard where they set for Ghanaians. Tell me which country don't go respect Ghanaians if they see them for their country. Tell me. Tell me. They don't care either rich or poor. You come from a healthy family. As long you are Ghanaian, if they talk anything bad about you in another country or do anything or something will be your right, they don't give you. They will stand for you. That is a country. That is a country. For this country where I did, they give students who they study for this country, they give them 3 years for their card. They give them 3 years for their card as a student. But we Nigerians, they give us 6 months. Now our own difference. They give us 6 months and we get one mumu. We don't even get person who go even stand for us for this country. Say, why did they give us 6 months with Nigerians? Why? They give Nigerian students 6 months for this country. But other countries, they give them better years. They give us 6 months. And because they don't see us finish now, they don't know, say we don't get anybody to speak for us. Our country is gone. See country, yeah, see country, yeah. You know how many things where they deprive Nigeria for abroad because of this passport we can't, because if we are Nigerians. Is it a shame that we are Nigerians? See country, yeah, where they stand for their people outside. Kante, first of all, I'm very disappointed in you. I'm very disappointed in you. Now, the reason why, if you now go another country if I go on that country, una know they like to coordinate una self. The way where other citizens they coordinate themselves. Now the reason why they talk say na Nigerians na in they spoil their countries. As that road now take clean, reach, you self no like the way where that environment take clean. I bet me now watch.
Shanks is my main page. Shanks, you see what this guy do? He just drink water, throw him away. Don't tell me that still every Nigerian I go just throw water, drink and put him on them. You see that? Show him around, show him around. Show him around. The face. You want shut up your mouth. Monkey. You too, monkey. You go just drink water, throw him away, say yeah, that's me. There's no dirty. What's going to happen? Guy, tell him, we don't do this in Ghana. Don't, no, like all jokes aside, tell him.
Go find who.
No, tell him, there's nothing to tell him. We don't throw rubbish around here. Can't you see how clean this place is? If I talk, I go...
The guy they tell you to say, you know, feed the drink water, can't throw him for road like that. You can't talk say, you go do and nothing go happen. You see the reason why we say the talking in Nigeria now they spoil most of these people country. I don't know why we say you know go ever Nigerians no go ever behave themselves for another man country. And you be content creator, you be TikTok content creator. Where we say we all know you for Nigeria. We all know you for Nigeria. Now you can't represent us like this. It's a shame. Say you represent us like this. It's a shame. Say now you they do this kind of thing. The guy said can't even report you to Shank. Say Shank, talk to this guy now. Why this guy go drink water control and for street like that? Instead where Shank go to say, guy, you safe. Look through him now. If you see trash, put him for there. Shank said not even talk anything. That show say Nigerian, Lagos himself, dirty. I don't know why we say, instead when I go on that man country, una go shout one proof una character. Say na Nigeria una come from. And the reason why they talk say Lagos dirty, Lagos they smell. As that road now take clean now, you know like him. You know like as that road take clean. I don't know why we say if you not go on that man country, you know they always they like to coordinate to themselves. Respect to themselves. A whole TikTok content creator what we say we know for Nigeria. Now you can't represent us like this. You can't give Nigerian bad name like this. You gotta tell it also, you know, fit throw that in for road like that. You say nothing go happen. So you go try. You see, now can you imagine? You see the reason why they talk say now most Nigerians they spoil people country. As that road take clean reach, you know like him. Why don't you just respect yourself? Like follow the rules. Coordinate on yourself the way where other citizens they coordinate themselves for that country. Now one of the reasons why Nigeria will never be better. Because nobody won't coordinate themselves. Nobody won't follow the rules. Nobody won't make Lagos clean. Nobody won't make Nigeria clean. That's why Nigeria, they smell. In all the whole state, Nigeria, they smell. Can you imagine? This acts what you do now, show you represent us where? You represent... They say charity begins at home. Now, true. You don't really show yourself, say, now from Nigeria you come from. Where we say if you eat something, you go to run for grand. You don't really show yourself. This behavior, make we stop am. If you go on that man country, see the way where that country be. Make we keep them like that. Make we don't just show ourselves. This is so embarrassing. And a shame for you. Can't they? And a shame for you. And a shame for you. Now so your house dirty. If you chop food finish, now so they throw the thing for inside house. If you eat anything, now so they throw the food inside your house. They throw it for grand. Why you no hold the bottle for hand? When you reach Nigeria, you throw it for grand for Nigeria. The guy does the verse. Their country, they clean. You yourself won't help and dirty the country. How could they behave ourselves? How could they behave ourselves? Anywhere where would they go? How could they represent Nigeria where? This one where you do, this one where you do. You not represent Nigeria where? You and Shank not represent Nigeria where? When I be dirty people.